Iwe, sangipera. Nasindakira.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Good morning, guys. Mamokase, livurenjani. Bonjour. I don't know wherever you guys are watching from. Please tell me where you guys are watching from. Just write your country down in my comment section. Nasi tukubika jungle oats, Brisa style. So we are making jungle oats for breakfast. That's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. But I'm gonna show you my version of jungle oats. So that's how I like them. Let's get ready with me. Oh guys, I'm very impatient in the morning. And my water is taking forever to boil. Forever. I don't know. Let's wait together and then we can start once the water's boiled. So let's put half a cup of our oats. So this will serve like 2 servings of oats. So half a cup. Oh, let's see. That's just a little below half. Let me add a little bit more. It's still low. A little bit more. Oh, that's just a bit too much. But anyway, I put too much. Let me put half a cup. Yeah, we put half a cup of oats. Let's add some sugar. So sugar, guys, is up to you. I'm putting it to my tasting, remember? This is how I like my oats. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon and a 2nd tablespoon. And also with sugar, it depends on the type of sugar you're using. So yeah, done with that. Okay, tidying up. Right, creating space. I like space when I'm working. Let's add some salt. So I'm just gonna put like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, roughly. Roughly. Let's take our boiling water and the cup. Let's see. Yeah, this one will do. The glass, yeah. Right in water. Guys, my glasses are very strong, so please do not try this at home. If you have very thin glass, they will crack. So that's the boiling water. Let's stir it a little bit. You'll be right. I'm gonna see what you're mixing. You know how it is when you're just waking up. You'll still be yawning. Time to add some milk. So I'm using Firefl for cream milk. You use whatever you have. But I like a lot of milk. So let's add some milk. Yeah, Amy. I'm sure you guys have just heard from the change in B. That consistency is just like how I like it. That's just how I like it. It's going down. It's cooking. Keep stirring that pot. Keep stirring that pot. Keep stirring that pot. And yeah, I know the box says 3 minutes, but guys, depending on how you like your oats, if you like them like cooked and just about right, keep stirring. Keep stirring. I'm waiting for it to boil, so my oats is going to take a little bit longer to boil because I used cold milk. So yeah, you know how it is, boiling water, cold milk. And that it's cold this morning. But never mind, this is working. It's working. So in case you just started this video midway or you've been skipping, let me just adjust the box for you. See, this is our jungle oats. So yeah, Zimbabwe, South Africa, you can get these jungle oats. England, guys, it's a bit difficult. I tried this method with certain ones that I got from here, and I personally didn't like the way they tasted, so I went shopping back Kumusha and got some jungle oats because I'm a bit particular in the way things taste, consistency, and etc. I'm just extra like that with food. But comment down below if you like oats, which is your favorite brand. And yes, and then we can get people to try different types of oats. And or if you cook your oats a bit differently, drop it in my comments how you make your oats, what's different between mine and yours, like the version. And then you never know, Manga and I could actually just try your version of oats. We like variety in food, so yeah, share how do you make your oats? Right, Icho, it's starting. See, now it's a bit better. Let's lower it, guys. You can't leave it at 7 because it's gonna burn. And it started to boil, so let's put it at 1. Let's put it at 1. So the reason we're putting it at 1 is we need it to simmer, come together, thicken up a little bit, and just do the last bit of cooking. Right, in the meantime, guys, I've got something to go and do. So I'm not going to stick around here and wait for it to simmer. Remember, it's morning. I need to go to work. So let me just show you guys, just quickly check before I go. I need to stir that a little bit. Yeah, because it's just this, the center wasn't really, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I should wait. So now I'm just going to close it and go take a shower. I have something to do, so if you have something to do, go do it now and come back and check in the next 5 minutes, or even if you take like maybe 8 to 10 minutes, it's still fine. It will just thicken a bit more, but because it's on 1, it will be thoroughly cooked. Yeah, right, because one hour later, in a few seconds or in a few minutes, I'm closing the pot now. Let it simmer and cook. Okay, I'm back, guys. Let's see. This is the thickness that I like. If you think this is still a little bit too thick for you, please add a little bit of milk and stir for about a minute, and that will be fine. It will be ready to eat. Ha, nasindichanakir washem. Ha ha, was it one man? I'm like but I'm late for work, so so what we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna pour it in my container. So yeah, this is what I use to measure my porridge anyway when I'm eating it in the mornings. So I'm gonna have this later. It will still be really hot for me. So yeah, that's a little bit too much, but anyway, I'm excited. Okay guys, that's it for this morning. If you like my video, or if you think you're gonna try this, or you want to suggest this to someone, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.